Can you believe it? The family has asked me to keep things simple and not over the top. I think it's about having too much of a good thing, but they really have forgotten to appreciate through art. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I take chickpeas and tuna and create a fantastic salad all in a simple bowl. This salad is really a fun salad. So into a bowl goes the juice of 1 lemon along with 4 bird-eye chilies, spicy, finely chopped up and put in. Into that goes a splash of some fresh ginger oil, about 10 to 15 mils. And I'm going to elevate this with some hemp seed oil. I wanted that subtle flavor of ginger to come through. So nearly 20 mils of hemp seed oil going in. I'm just going to give all this a light whisk up. Whisk it up, allow it to emulsify, and into that goes a sprinkling of some rosemary, lavender, sea salt, just to give it that zing of herby goodness. A quick toss again, bringing everything together. And now is the time to take about a cupful of chickpeas that have been soaked overnight and boiled, hot going in so that it just about allows everything to come together really well. 2 fillets of light meat tuna that I had, I just poached it in some salted water, flaked it up, and that goes in. Tuna and chickpeas really are a protein overload, but you want to counter the sharp flavor of tuna, and that comes in with about 2 red radish that have been just diced up, with the red making it look so pretty overall. A quick toss again. Into this now goes about 50 grams of haricot beans that have been cut into the largest of spindles or batons and blanched. Put those in, toss it up nicely. And what's anything tuna without an overload of some eggs? So 4 eggs that have been 8-minute boiled, quartered up going in, and you want the eggs to get slightly mushy in this creation. So just toss it all up together. Fun, right? So simple and easy. Arrange it in a nice oval long platter. It's time to garnish this creation up. Garnish this with a fine sprinkle of some finely shredded leaves of coriander, just to give it that herby burst of goodness. Most people don't know this, but tuna and eggs go really well with a beautiful tart berry, and I'm using mulberries out here. I managed to get it in season. So about 50 grams of mulberries just scattered on top for a lovely salad coming together really well. And lastly, antioxidant rich hemp seed hearts going right on top. Trust me now, if the family still goes ahead and says this is over the top, I'm not cooking till the year gets over. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.